Hello YouTube viewers. Today we dive into a vital topic for every OnlyFans creator out there. We are exploring the question, why is an OnlyFans management agency is essential in 2024? If you are committed to elevating your OnlyFans journey, this discussion is tailored for you. In the ever-evolving world of content creation, managing an OnlyFans account has transformed into a complex endeavor. It's no longer only about content production, it encompasses strategic growth, personalized audience engagement, and optimizing revenue opportunities. Here, a specialized OnlyFans management agency can be a game changer. First, let's consider the aspects operating an OnlyFans account. Demands a comprehensive understanding of advanced tools such as proxies and anti-detection browsers. If these terms seem unfamiliar, you are certainly not alone. Our agency boasts a team of experts proficient in these technologies, ensuring your account's smooth, secure operation. Independently, managing your OnlyFans can be restrictive, particularly when aspiring for significant earnings. Achieving a 5 to 6 figure income necessitates a strategic, holistic approach that transcends basic content creation. Our agency possesses the experience and know how to effectively scale your earnings, transforming your passion into a profitable enterprise. Marketing in the OnlyFans space is a unique challenge. It involves not just understanding your value proposition, but also how to engage a wider audience effectively. Our agency is armed with marketing specialists adept in promoting OnlyFans content, ensuring your work captivates the intent audience. Managing your OnlyFans account single-handedly can be daunting, from subscriber interaction to marketing and overall account management. Each aspect of demands specific expertise. In our agency, seasoned professionals handle every facet of management, focusing on enhancing your OnlyFans presence. Are you familiar with advanced tools like proxies and anti-detection browsers? Effective management of an OnlyFans account requires proficiency with these tools. Our agency not only comprehends these functionalities but also applies them strategically, adding a robust security layer to your account. To sum up, mastering OnlyFans management involves more than content creation. It's about integrating technical savvy, marketing acumen, and strategic growth methods, all of which our management agency offers if you are aiming to make 2024 your breakout year. Consider partnering with professionals who have an intimate knowledge of the industry. Remember to subscribe, like for more insights, and contact us if you are prepared to elevate your OnlyFans experience. This is Adit signing off. Until next time.